Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious cocktail samosas. We will begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring we have everything ready for a smooth cooking process. Next, I will guide you through preparing the perfect dough, which is crucial for that signature crispy texture. Then, we will craft a flavorful filling using aromatic spices. And finally, I will demonstrate the art of shaping and frying these delightful treats to golden perfection. Now let's focus on the dough, the foundation of our cocktail samosas. Start by combining 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt in a large bowl. Incorporate 4 tablespoons of oil or ghee. This is key for achieving a flaky texture. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of water, mixing until a firm dough forms. Knead this dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and pliable, then let it rest for 30 minutes. Next, we'll create the heart of our samosas, the flavorful filling. Begin by boiling and mashing 2 medium-sized potatoes until smooth. In a separate pan, sauté 1/2 cup of green peas with a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste until fragrant. Stir in 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric for color and warmth. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala to elevate the flavor profile, then combine with the mashed potatoes. Finally, let's bring our samosas to life through shaping and frying. Take small portions of dough and roll them into thin, oval shapes. Cut each oval in half, creating 2 semicircles. Now, fold and seal the straight edge of each semicircle to form a cone, then carefully fill it with our delicious potato and pea mixture. Seal the open edge securely. Fry these cocktail samosas in oil heated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.